I can bet that many people don't know this. Sometime in November, December last year, I got a notification that WhatsApp was introducing the ability to create pools on WhatsApp groups. Now, this is a great feature that many people do not know how to use yet. As administrators of WhatsApp groups, creating pools can enable you make informed decisions that will improve your community goals. Now, let me show you how to create a pool on WhatsApp. Step one, open the WhatsApp group you want to gather opinions from. Then step two, click on the attachment icon in the typing area. There's an icon there that looks like like a clip. So that clip icon, click on it and locate the pull button. You will find other options like attaching a document or attaching a contact or audio. Click on the pull button and you see something like what you're seeing right now on your screen, questions and options. So just type in the questions area the question you want to gather opinions about. For instance, I would say, would you like to learn how to use artificial intelligence to create mind-blowing graphic content? Pardon the grammatical errors. Would you like to learn how to use artificial intelligence to create mind-blowing content? So in the options area, all I could just do would give possible options like, yes, I would love, I would love that. Then second option, you just go to the next option. Immediately you go to each option, another option pops out. So the next one you could say no, thank you. And then the last option I could say I would rather prefer a different topic. I'd rather prefer a different topic. So once you are done with all these, the question and the options are there for the members of the group to answer. You could just click on the arrow button under to send to the group. Just like that, members of the group can start clicking on the preferred choice in the multiple choice question or pool that you have raised. So this is the pool question here. So if I prefer to say, yes, I would love that, then I click on that and then that would be it. If you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Thank you.